What's going on, guys? Yo, yes, I'm back. I've been back all week. I've been streaming every single morning from 9:15 until around 11 o'clock, trading live futures and stocks in my channel here every single morning for free. You can come join us. So today had some nice trades. Now I was able to figure out how to do a quick little recap and record it. So you know what? I'm gonna put it on here for you so you can see what today's trades look like. Now I did make one mistake. I wasn't able to capture it live, but you can go back to the live stream and watch it there if you want. All right, on this one, we're just gonna go over the technicals. Today's CPI data came in line with expectations. So the market, like I said in pre-market, didn't really know what to do, at least not early on. It sold off, then it bounced back up higher, and then the bell rang. We sold off super strong, then bounced back super strong, and we kind of triple topped on the SPY. It was just pure madness. Now I sat and waited, took two trades today. My first trade was a red trade, right? And then my second trade was actually a smaller trade, and it still wound up being a banger because I caught nearly 14 points on my best take profit, which made it so that my loss was completely erased. Plenty of profit was made, so I cannot complain in the least bit. It was a really nice, sick trade, and I'm really happy with it. I was able to do it live with the group during the stream, and I'll show you my orders. I got in my first trade was a buy at 381.25. I added at 380.75, and then I added again at 382.25. We got a quick little pop there, and I was like, oh man, it's looking like we're gonna start extending here and make the move. We didn't. We got flushed out there, and I ended up stopping out at 398.78.75, 398.78.50. After that, we went a little bit lower. We actually went lower, and I'm like, maybe I did the right thing here, sticking. Oh, you always do the right thing when you stick to your stop loss. But we went lower, and I was like, okay, perfect. So everything's good to go. It was the right call, definitely stopping out where I did. Then shortly after that, and I'm talking about within 3 minutes or so, we regained, and you'll see that here, we regained that support area, and we just slingshot right off of it. And that's when I said, oh, wait a second, this was just a quick flush. I'm gonna get back into this thing. And I got back into it at 398, at 39.82.25, 39.82.50. 39.83.25 was my last buy, and I immediately started popping out sell orders. Got some off at 39.92, more of 39.92. Then I got more off at 39.96.25, and I got more off at 39.96.25, more off at 39.96.25. Continue holding, continue throwing out orders. 39.97, my best take profit on this trade. And then 39.94, I stopped out the remainder. It was a banger. I really enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the recap here and you kind of learned something from it. Any questions, drop them in the comment section. And remember to join the live stream Monday through Friday at 9:15 a.m. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button. So I got shaken out right in here today, right? Is that coming out? Yeah. Okay, so I got shaken out right in here on my first trade today, right? I was scaling into it, so I had a total of 15 MESs. All right, typically, if I'm going to go in full size, I'm going to look at 30, 20, 30 MESs, maybe even 40 MESs. So I was scaling into it. Today, I wasn't going to go into that full size. I was going to kind of conserve a little bit like I've been this week since it's been so choppy. And I had 15 MESs. We started to push up, and I was like, okay, bet, this is what I'm looking for, right? We're holding above this support zone we had drawn earlier, okay? And we were holding above this 83 level as we were pushing, as we were starting to push right here, right? And then we quickly rejected, got back underneath that. I stopped out of it. I did say I was going to hold that stop a little bit tighter because of how everything was shaping out here today. We quickly pierced it. I got shaken out, stopped out of it, of that position. And then the very next candle, bang, we got right back up over it. And we got back over it on a nice fat increase in volume. And that's when I said, okay, I'm going to get back into this thing. Now, this time I had smaller size. I didn't get the opportunity to continue scaling into and adding to the position. So I said, okay, it's not a problem. We're going to trade what we have. We're going to trade what we have, right? We're going to stick to the plan. We're going to trade what we have. So this time I am long from 82.25, 82.50, 83.25 was my biggest, my last ad, 83.25. And I took profits off at 92, at 96.25, at 97, my best take, and then stopped out the last 3 contracts at 94. So I took profits all along this move, and then right here I stopped out of the remainder as we started to break down the cup and handle that we saw here on the SPY as well. Okay, so that's exactly how my trade was today. I'll take it. It was a really good trade. I traded the trade plan. I really held on looking for that breakout over, like well over this 4,000. I thought we could have gone. I had an order out at 402.75. I had another order out at 406 and change. And then I was holding on to some to see if we can get up here 415, 40.15, 40.20. And I would have been flat there. So that's what I was looking for there. I'll see if there's any more trades that come, and we'll see how everything goes the rest of the morning. All right, guys, hope you got something from the recap. Let me know your thoughts. Any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Smash the like button for me, and I'll see you guys on the next one, or better yet, in tomorrow's live stream. Peace.